Oh, hey there. It's such a nice day today. It's like 94 degrees out there, so I thought I'd just take the day off and go to the beach. Actually, I was just seeing if my friend Mr. Battery would want to come too. So, sorry, no trucking content today, but stick around. Maybe you'll see him. Oh, there he is now. Let's see if he's coming out. David, are you kidding me? Are you trying to kill me? If I go to the beach, I will literally die from heat. Do your research. No, I don't want to go. Good hearing from you, though. The heat will kill Mr. Battery? I had no idea. I thought it was the cold that killed batteries. Oh, forget the beach. I gotta look into this. There's an old adage in the world of truck batteries that you've probably heard if you've ever spoken with a heavy-duty battery or electrical system expert. Summer heat and sun are what kills a battery. It just doesn't know it's dead until it gets cold. So if you want to avoid dealing with dead battery headaches when the weather gets cold, you need to focus on your battery maintenance and service processes as the mercury rises. Not only are we rolling into the dog days of summer, but your equipment duty cycles have likely changed in the past 6 months, or you've rolled your trucks into new applications. All of these things will affect your batteries, so it's best to talk about how we can keep them working now. The summer heat speeds up the battery aging process by overcharging the battery, which increases grid corrosion and the degradation of internal components. This increases the likelihood of a no start in the fall and winter. Now, in the summer months, the common cause for a no start is a result of overcharging or cycling the battery to power the HVAC systems or accessories. If a battery is fully discharged due to running accessories, the end result will be a no start situation. With electronics, the rule of thumb is that for every 10-degree increase in temperature, the life of that component is reduced by about 50%. You can make a similar comment about batteries. Now, if you start looking at operating temperatures above about 120 degrees, you will almost certainly see it starting to have an adverse effect on the life of that battery. This means, what's this? Oh, it's a text from our friend, Mr. Battery. Let's see what he has to say. Dear David, summer heat and sun are the true enemies of battery resiliency. Heat even accelerates the self-discharge of a battery. A battery that may have taken 2 months to discharge on its own in the winter could now only take 1 month to discharge to the same level due to heat. So, my human friend, why are there more failures in the winter, you ask? Well, cold temperatures impact the engine's oil viscosity, which makes the engine much harder to crank in cold weather. Weak batteries that worked fine in summer and fall suddenly can't provide the energy to crank a cold engine in the winter. When batteries are cold, they also have a harder time taking a charge. Well, thanks, Mr. Battery. You sure know a lot about batteries. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.